Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in the general section we have to find the option the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and find encryption and credentials. And almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it and of course confirm it with OK. You will have to also confirm it with the password. And as you can see, and not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.